Hello everyone, welcome again to Joseph IT Technology Entertainer. Today I'll be showing you the way to get the latest ISO file of Windows 10, that is October 2020 version from Microsoft easily and for free. So firstly, I'm going to Google Chrome and on a new tab, I'm writing a source of Microsoft Windows 10. Okay, as you can see that there is no ISO download option in the page, but I'm going to apply a simple trick. Simply right click on the page and go to inspect. When this comes, then click on toggle device toolbar twice and after that reload the page. After reloading, you will see that the page has been changed and asking you to select the edition. Okay, now choose Windows 10 October 2020 version and confirm. It's asking you to choose the product language and I always prefer English International, and if you want you can choose another. This will be the product language, but English International is the most chosen one. Okay, now the bit of the Windows 10 you want to get your ISO file as. I always prefer 64-bit, and for the weak PC configurations you can choose 32-bit. Okay, the ISO file size is 5.78 GB and just simply click on start download. And as you can see, it is now being downloaded, and after successfully downloading this file, I will make my pen drive or USB drive bootable with it and set up a fresh Windows with this ISO file with this official Microsoft Windows 10. And if you don't know how to boot your pen drive with ISO file, then simply check my YouTube video from the description. So this is the way of getting official ISO or Windows 10 files from Microsoft easily, and I hope you really found this video useful. If you really did so, then please hit the like button, share your experience, your suggestions, and subscribe to the channel of Joseph IT if you have not. Hope to see you in my next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.